Today on the 27th day of ADC Day, we have gathered today here from 48 Council Committee. Today, Council of Officers came here. We are now going to celebrate. The celebration is going on. We have come across road rally. So in 1984, on 23rd August, the ADC demand was introduced by, at that time, the Indira Gandhi, then Prime Minister of India. So our demand is whatever our rights, whatever our constitutional rights, our democratic rights in this ADC area, we have 70% land. So I appeal to the central government and the state government, whatever our demands, whatever our facilities, they should implement according to the constitution, according to democratic. So today here, we all types of all communities of the people have gathered here. Not only Tripoli community, that our neighboring friends, Bengali community also have joined in our rally today. So in future, we demand whatever our facilities should implement immediately by the state government and the central government. This is my appeal from the 48th Council Block Committee President, Abdul Mutha.